Welcome to our channel. Here's how to get your CompTIA A+ certification quickly and effectively, so you can launch your IT career with confidence. Welcome to our channel if you're aiming to boost your IT career. Getting CompTIA A+ certified is a fantastic first step. This certification is widely recognized and proves you have the foundational IT skills employers want. Here's a clear step-by-step guide on how to earn your CompTIA A+ certification. Efficiently. Step 1. Understand the certification requirements. Begin by visiting the official CompTIA website to understand exactly what the A+ certification entails. This includes 2 exams that cover hardware, networking, mobile devices, operating systems, troubleshooting, and security topics. Knowing the domains and exam objectives will help you focus your study efforts. Step 2. Gather study materials. Invest in quality study materials, such as official CompTIA guides, online courses, practice tests, and video tutorials. Well-reviewed textbooks combined with interactive resources can greatly increase your chances of success. Step 3. Create a study schedule. Discipline is key. Break down your study topics into manageable chunks and set a consistent daily or weekly study schedule. Allocate time for learning new concepts, as well as reviewing what you have already covered. This regular practice helps reinforce knowledge and reduce exam anxiety. Step 4. Gain practical experience. Theory is important, but hands-on practice is crucial. Try to get practical exposure by setting up your own home lab with computers and networks, or volunteering for IT support roles. This experience helps turn your knowledge into real-world skills. Step 5. Take practice exams. Regular practice tests simulate the real exam environment and highlight areas where you need improvement. They also build your confidence and help with time management on the actual exam day. Step 6. Register. Schedule your exams once you feel confident with your preparation. Register for the 2 required exams through the CompTIA portal. Choose exam dates that give you enough time to review, but also keep you motivated to study. Step 7. Prepare mentally and physically before exam day. Get plenty of rest, eat well, and stay hydrated. Avoid last-minute cramming. Instead, take a few moments to relax and visualize success. Step 8. Take the exams approach each exam calmly and systematically. Read each question carefully and manage your time wisely. Remember that passing both exams is necessary to achieve certification. Once you have passed both, you will receive your CompTIA A+ certification. Celebrate your achievement and start exploring new job opportunities in it. Remember that continuous learning will keep your skills sharp and help with future certifications. Thank you for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more practical career tips and IT certification guidance.